Your circulatory system works tirelessly to transport oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout your body. It's the network that keeps your heart beating and your body thriving. But did you know that what you eat can have a profound impact on the health of your circulatory system? From improving heart function to reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, the role of nutrition is undeniable. Today, we're diving into the science behind it. Welcome to How Nutrition Impacts Your Circulatory System. Starting with the role of omega-3 fatty acids in heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids are primarily sourced from fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based options such as walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Wild-caught fish tend to have higher omega-3 content compared to farmed fish due to their natural diets. Baking or steaming fish helps preserve omega-3 content better than frying, which can break down these heart-healthy fats. Adding ground flax seeds or chia seeds to oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt also ensures minimal nutrient loss. Once consumed, omega-3 fatty acids are broken down in the small intestine, where they're absorbed into the bloodstream. They then help reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and promote healthy blood pressure, key components of circulatory health. Pairing omega-3 rich foods with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil, can enhance absorption. Impact of sodium and potassium on blood pressure. Sodium is commonly found in processed foods, canned soups, and fast food. In contrast, potassium is abundant in fresh produce like bananas, oranges, potatoes, and leafy greens. Home-cooked meals generally contain less sodium, especially when whole, unprocessed ingredients are used. Minimizing salt during cooking and opting for herbs and spices can reduce sodium intake. Cooking vegetables lightly, such as steaming instead of boiling, helps retain potassium content. Sodium and potassium are absorbed in the small intestine. High sodium levels can increase blood pressure by causing water retention, while potassium helps counteract this effect by relaxing blood vessel walls and reducing pressure. Prioritizing potassium-rich foods while limiting processed, high-sodium foods supports a healthy circulatory system. The benefits of fiber in reducing cardiovascular risk. Dietary fiber is abundant in whole grains, vegetables, fruits, beans, and legumes. Locally sourced, organic produce often contains higher fiber content than processed foods. Consuming fiber in its whole form, such as whole fruits instead of fruit juice or whole grains instead of refined grains, maximizes its cardiovascular benefits. Cooking methods like boiling or steaming vegetables help retain their fiber content, whereas frying can strip them of nutrients. Fiber isn't broken down by digestive enzymes but moves through the digestive tract, binding to cholesterol particles and removing them from the body. This process helps lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Antioxidants and their effects on vascular health. Antioxidants like vitamins C and E are commonly found in colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and green tea. Choosing locally sourced, organic produce ensures higher antioxidant content. Consuming raw fruits and vegetables often preserves antioxidants, but lightly steaming or roasting can still retain most of their nutritional value. Antioxidants are absorbed in the intestines and help neutralize free radicals in the bloodstream, preventing oxidative stress that can damage blood vessels. This supports healthy circulation and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. The influence of saturated and unsaturated fats on heart disease. Saturated fats are typically found in red meat, full-fat dairy, and processed foods, while unsaturated fats are abundant in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Baking, grilling, or steaming foods instead of frying can reduce saturated fat intake. Using healthy oils like olive or avocado oil enhances unsaturated fat consumption. Saturated fats are broken down into fatty acids and cholesterol in the digestive tract. Excessive saturated fat intake can raise LDL cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease. Conversely, unsaturated fats can improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, promoting circulatory health. The connection between nutrition and circulatory health is clear. By understanding how specific nutrients, cooking methods, and food sources affect your body, you can make intentional dietary choices to support heart health. Whether it's choosing omega-3 rich foods, prioritizing fiber, or reducing sodium intake, small changes can lead to profound improvements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy.